so we put a fence up behind us, and all of a sudden the last two sprinklers in this zone won't work, so we're going to do some investigating. Okay, so we dug a hole, and it's right here next to the fence is where we think the break is. We turned the system back on, and it started bubbling up, and there's clean water running out of the pipe, and we dug down, we can feel the pipe there. So I think what we're going to do, the best course of action, is going to splice in to where the last head worked and run a new supply line on our side of the fence, and go from there. Alright, so this is what I was talking about, guys. My neighbor's getting ready to have some work done, and they called out Dig Safe, and or wherever you're at, Kansas One Call, whatever, and they will mark your utilities, and you have to specify where you want it. And obviously they're not going to mark your sprinkler heads and stuff like that, but they'll mark all of your cable and phone and gas and electricity and everything you got coming in your backyard. It's up to you to mark your sprinkler heads, and then you got to call the city or the county if you want your property pins marked. But this is an important step in being safe whenever you're shoving a steel pipe down your into the ground, you know, that's 12 or 18 inches long. So keep that in mind. Okay, so we're making our sprinkler repair here. I'm gonna glue this joint up right here. So you want to make sure that you have an ample amount of glue on both your male and female ends of your pipe. And then whenever you push those two together, always give it a half twist or a quarter twist, enough so that it starts the chemical reaction. And then hold it for about 10 or 15 seconds. And then your glue joint should be good. Okay, so basically what we did here was we went down and rented a Ditch Witch 255 SX vibratory plow, and it pulls the pipe underneath the ground. We pulled a brand new piece of 1-inch PVC about 2 to 3 feet to the north of the old pipe, and then we tied it into the existing line for that zone. So this isn't how you can fix every sprinkler system. Some of them have other different kinds of pipe, but this is how we fixed ours. Also, guys, I want you to know that not everybody can do these things. A lot of you guys are very capable of this kind of work, but if this is over your head, make sure you contact a professional. There's a lot of good sprinkler companies out there, and make sure that you contact one of those guys. You don't want to end up tearing something up in the process of trying to fix it and create more work for yourself. So after we pulled in our new line, we connected the sprinkler heads to the main line with poly pipe, and once we made our connections, then we went ahead and ops checked it, and everything was good to go. And so if this video was helpful for you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, remember, 10 in, 10 out.